Welcome to Delish D'Lites. In today's recipe, we're making pollo guisado or stewed chicken Puerto Rican style. For this recipe, you're gonna need bone-in chicken. I prefer chicken thighs. You can use chicken legs or even chicken breasts. Just make sure they have the bone in. Then we're gonna have our seasoning blend. You're gonna need adobo, sazon, oregano, garlic powder, black pepper, and powdered chicken bouillon. You're gonna need lemons or limes to rinse off the chicken. Make sure it's nice and clean. You're also gonna need olives, sofrito, and some bay leaves. Sweet potato or pumpkin is optional in this recipe. You're gonna need potatoes. I like using red bliss potatoes and carrots, as well as tomato sauce. And your liquid for the stew can be water or low sodium chicken broth. You wanna clean off your chicken with lemon juice and then make sure to rinse it. Next, you're gonna coat your chicken with some olive oil so that the seasonings can stick. Sprinkle your seasonings all over the chicken and make sure to rub those seasonings into the chicken. You want super flavorful, you want it to be covered in spices. Now we're gonna heat our pot to medium heat and sear the chicken on both sides in a little bit of olive oil. You might have to do this in batches, so just do half of the chicken in one batch and half of it in another. After searing the chicken, you're gonna add the sofrito to the pan. I like freezing my sofrito into cubes so I can just measure it out very easily. Then you can add tomato sauce. And once that is fragrant and bubbling, make sure to scrape the pan to get any drippings off of the bottom and then add your water. Add your chicken back into the water. And don't forget to put the juices inside the bowl, back inside the pot. Then you can add your potatoes, your carrots, the sweet potatoes or pumpkin if you're using it, as well as the olive and the bay leaves. Stir everything well just to make sure everything is evenly distributed. And reduce the heat to low. You're gonna simmer this for 45 minutes with the lid on. After 45 minutes, you have a delicious pollo guisado that is ready to eat. For the full recipe, including all the measurements for the ingredients, head over to delishdelites.com and check us out if you're looking for easy Latin recipes for the home cook.